Hi, it's Christine here, Christine Crow here, and welcome to the channel. I've come on here because I've been looking at my analytics and I'm starting to now study the analytics, which I've never done before. This is like my first week really of studying analytics, probably about 4 days ago. Um, so, like I said, even though I've been on YouTube for 10 years, I've just been focusing on the business side, doing training and selling for the company, for example, rather than for YouTube revenue, for example. And I want my clients as well as yourselves, YouTube creators, to look at when you're doing your videos to really get uploading every day. If you want to get to your 1000 subscribers, for example, then really you do need to upload every day and do a video every day, or you can do a live every day. But also at the same time, look at your analytics, because it will tell you where you are, what's going up, what's going down. And I noticed that when I've been messing around changing things, sometimes it will go as I'll see it shoot up, and then I'm thinking, oh, it's going up fast. And then I'm then trying to figure out which video it is that's going up fast. So I'm still trying to understand the analytics here on YouTube. So I went in, I changed a few keywords, for example, and then it went down again. So then I'm like, oh, okay. And then I went back in and then I changed them again, and it just seems to be going up. But I just wanted to, just say that we've got to keep experimenting. But if we keep posting daily, we can actually see from the analytics, you can see that things are going up, for example, because it does show you in real time as well. And you can even do it so that it's customized for a particular day. So like I did for yesterday, for example, because you can't do for today, because it will show today, tomorrow, for example, probably, late morning, something like that, to give you an idea of how things are growing, for example. So it's just really keeping your eye on your analytics as well, if you can, once you get used to it. And it's usually around, it's good to look at it even after your video to see if you've had any views, for example. Look at what keywords that you've used, and to look at what is trending currently as well. That's a good one as well. And I'm not saying that, you know, to keep doing that all the time, but just to vary things a bit. Don't be stuck as the same thing. Like with me, I was just talking about my business and book a free appointment, and I'd rather teach people how to sell their business services on YouTube, because you can actually do that as well as the adverts that are on your YouTube channel. And I do really think that by posting daily, and I know that everyone can't do that, but if you really want to get yourself monetized and you can do it quickly, for example, then do your postings every day. And just like I did for October, November, December. Well, actually, I did November, December, and January. This January, for example, I am posting like not just once, but I'm posting 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5 times. Really, I really want to post 5 times a day. But I am trying. It is hard, but I'm also doing a live every day for, about an hour, I would say. So really, I am doing 5 videos, but I'm doing like, say for example, 3 videos, then I'm doing one 1 hour video, which if I was to make the 1 hour videos into 15-minute videos into sections, I'm still trying to learn about the sections, because when I'm talking to you, I'm talking to you from my heart and my soul and my head, for example, and the experience of, as if I'm talking to a friend, for example. So what I'm trying to learn is how to segment it into like 4 parts. So if I'm doing a 1 hour live, although I know what it is that I'm talking about and I know what I'm covering because of the experience, for example, I want to really do it as, part A, part B, part C, part D, for example. Then I cut it up into 4 pieces so they cut off at the right time. Although when I use the editing software, that does get done properly, for example, but I also can use Opus that can do that as well, that cuts it off at a certain point, for example, where it's listening, AI or whatever it is, it's listening and doing it correctly. And I can then put 4 videos, for example, from that 1 hour or so video, for example, so it could be 4 or 5. And then if I've done 3 videos during the day, then that then makes it that I've done up to 8 videos, right? And then from that, from the 1 hour or so live that I've done, I'm then able to create, say, 20 to 40 shorts. It is not, and I will tell you, it is not easy uploading all of these videos in one go. So like I say to you, and everyone says, that if you are really wanting to take YouTube on as an income stream, then you have to see it as a business. Because once you start to upload, you still got the other videos that you've got to upload, and then you've got to put the keywords with it, as well as the content that's coming from you, for example. And then once you've done that, you've then got to do all the other settings to make sure that it's as good as you want it to be, for example. Now imagine that you've got, like today, like I've got 16 videos, 1 live and 40 shorts, which is what I usually do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that in the morning, for example, tomorrow. I'm going to upload the shorts tomorrow, so there'll be 40 shorts. I'll do 20 in the morning and say 20 at lunchtime, for example. And when I say morning, it'll probably be late morning, 10 o'clock. And then it will be, again, usually they tell you the best time to post these videos anyway, YouTube do. And you post it at those times, for example. And rather than me post them all in one go, they usually come sort of within 20 minutes of each other, or sometimes they can all come all at once, because there's a queue for them to be pushed through for some reason. I believe it's probably because I'm posting so much at the same time, so maybe it could be like an an overload, so I need to look out for that. So maybe the 40 videos that I've got, I could do perhaps 10 in the morning, 10 in the afternoon, then 10 say 3 o'clock, and then 10 say 6 p.m. for example, and then I go live at 7 p.m. UK time, and from that live I can then break up the 4 long form videos from that 1 hour live, and then it gets uploaded, for example, and then the shorts then get uploaded the following day. So I'm just trying to give you my rhythm of how I'm doing things to post a lot of content. And what I'm doing is I am posting a lot of content, but like I said, I've been on YouTube for over 10 years, and I've got plenty of time that I need to catch up on from what I missed out on doing, and I've got the energy to do that. Not everyone has, you know, all of that energy, for example, but it's something that for me I want to do and complete it each day, because otherwise you will end up with a backlog, and then that will cause stress, and it will cause you to feel that it's too much and you might give up, for example. So for me, it's better that I do the 1 hour live, for example, and I try and make it 1 hour minimum to 1 hour 15, for example. From that, so I've just done one video, for example, and from that I've then been able to cut it up into 4 or 5 videos from that one live that I did tonight, for example. And then from that one live that I did tonight, I then create the shorts from that. I don't upload it that night. I will upload it in the morning, say 10 o'clock. Then I'll do another lot at, say, 12, lunchtime, for example. Then maybe 3 p.m. and then one at 6 p.m., for example. And then the live at 7 p.m. So that is how I managed to create, for example, the 5 videos. Okay, so 4 is 4 15-minute videos. Then there's one 1 hour video, one live that I do every day, for example. And then there's about 20 to 40 shorts. But I don't do that at night time after I've done the live, because I would be too exhausted. But I've got them ready to, so I'll do that in the morning after I've done my exercise and my walk, for example. I will then upload 10 shorts, for example, ready for 10 o'clock. Then I will upload another 10 at 12 o'clock. Then I will upload another 10 at 3 p.m. and then another 10 at 6 p.m. And then I'm then ready to do my live. So each one that I'm uploading, I make sure that I've got the keywords, so I can just copy the video of where it's come from, the short, so that people can watch the long video, for example, for more information. But there's also, like I said, that feature on YouTube where you can actually post. There's that little tab there on the right hand side of the YouTube channel where it says, when you're uploading your video, where it says related video. So then you click that and then you relate it to the video that the short has come from, that you've chopped up. So I hope that that was helpful. I just wanted to shoot this quick video, and I'm going to upload this now so that you've got this to look at. And this is my posting schedule for my YouTube videos, so that they can get monetized and so that my views can increase as well. So this is my experiment. Like I said, I'm in my 3rd month now, and I'm watching the analytics and I'm seeing it go up. So I'll see what the views are tomorrow from my postings that I've done today, for example. All right, so I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day, and I will speak with you tomorrow. I'll see you live then. Take care. Thank you. Bye.